Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transcribe audio with Otter AI in 2026. If you want to convert audio recordings into accurate text for meetings, interviews, lectures, or personal notes, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure your audio file is ready to upload and is saved on your device. Next, click the Import or Upload option from the dashboard. A file selection window will appear. Choose the audio file you want to transcribe and click Open to begin the upload. Now wait while Otter AI uploads and processes your audio. The processing time depends on the file size and length of the recording, so be patient while the transcription is generated. Once the transcription is complete, open the conversation from your dashboard. You'll see the full transcript along with timestamps and speaker sections when available. Next, review the transcript carefully. If you notice any words that were transcribed incorrectly, you can edit them directly to improve the accuracy of your final document. You can also use the search feature to quickly find important words, names, or topics without reading the entire transcript from start to finish. Finally, if you need to save or share your transcription, use the export or share option to download the transcript or send it to your teammates or clients. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transcribe audio with Otter AI step by step. You can now turn your recordings into searchable, editable text quickly and easily. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.